one case in the Supreme Court while the other in the Rouse Avenue court. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal is fighting two different cases in two different courts. On April 15th, a two-judge bench of the Apex Court refused to grant any immediate relief to Arvind Kejriwal in a plea challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in the liquor policy case. Hours later, on the same day, 2.5 kilometers away, Judge Kaveri Baweja of the Rouse Avenue court in Delhi extended Kejriwal's judicial custody till April 23rd.
जनता के लिए एक संदेश भेजा है कि मेरा नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है और मैं आतंकवादी नहीं हूं.
So why are two courts hearing cases on Arvind Kejriwal's arrest at the same time, and what would be the ultimate outcome? Let's find out. After Arvind Kejriwal's arrest on 21st March, he was produced in the Rouse Avenue court the next day, in line with the constitutional mandate to produce an arrested individual in front of a magistrate within 24 hours. The court heard both the sides at length before remanding the CM to ED's custody for inquiry. Subsequently, on April 1st, ED asked the court to remand Kejriwal in judicial custody but made it clear that it may ask for ED custody if need be. While Kejriwal can file for bail plea, securing one is difficult under PMLA unless the twin conditions are fulfilled. These twin conditions are: there should be prima facie satisfaction that the accused has not committed the offence and that he is not likely to commit any offence while on bail. Therefore, Delhi CM chose to challenge his arrest altogether on the grounds of constitutional validity. According to Kejriwal, his arrest is against the basic structure of the constitution. Kejriwal moved the top court, filing a writ petition when the Delhi High Court rejected his plea. A writ petition is filed when a person's fundamental rights are violated. It usually questions the actions of the government in curtailing a citizen's fundamental rights. Kejriwal mounted his attack against the ED by questioning the timing of his arrest at the cusp of general elections. He also contended that his arrest was not in compliance with the provisions of the PMLA. The Delhi High Court had noted that the CM had skipped ED summons and the central agency had enough evidence. So, the primary difference between the case in Rouse Avenue and in the Apex Court is that the former is a precursor to the criminal trial that is expected to take place against Kejriwal in the liquor policy case, while the latter questions the constitutional validity of his arrest. While the case in the Rouse Avenue court may ultimately lead to his conviction or acquittal in the liquor policy case, going forward, the case in SC will solely focus on whether his arrest was in compliance with the constitutional processes. However, the proceedings in the Rouse Avenue court may not come to complete halt if the Apex court decides to quash his arrest. The court may still have to conduct a trial in the liquor policy case to come to a conclusion on Kejriwal's role in the alleged scam. Since the trial is yet to begin and charge sheet is yet to be filed, the Apex court may not completely absolve him of his role. For more news and updates, keep following Moneycontrol.